This January, hundreds of Marines from Combat Logistics Battalion 252 learned to survive in the winter elements during Mountain X. They also provided logistical support to other units on the mountain, all in preparation for Cold Response 16.
The facilities here at Marine Corps Mountain Warfare Training Center, Bridgeport, are top-notch, and we're getting the best training that we can get in the United States. And I guarantee that 2nd Med Forces will be ready to participate and bring the fight during Cold Response 16.
Cold Response will give Marines the opportunity to work together with 12 NATO partners and allies this March in the cold environment of Norway.
We may all come from different countries, speak different languages, but the biggest takeaway I think that we're going to get from Cold Response is that all these militaries work in hand with each other. The Marine Corps and the United States military, along with our NATO partners, can accomplish and will be successful with whatever mission we're given.